Hello everyone. The title of my project is Palindrome Checker. A palindrome is a word or sentence that reads the same forward and backward. Examples include madam, race car, level, and even phrases like nurses run. If we ignore spaces and cases, I have written this project using Python in PictoBlox. First, I created a function called isPalindrome. It takes a string, converts it to lowercase, and removes spaces. Then it compares the original string with its reverse using slicing. Based on the result, it prints whether the input is palindrome or not. Let us test it with few inputs. It's a great classroom activity for middle school students. Thank you.